Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna and macaroni. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, 2 cans of drained tuna, and a half cup of mayonnaise. Don't forget some salt and pepper to taste, and maybe a bit of chopped celery or onion if you like extra crunch. This simple dish is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal any day of the week. Now, let's get that macaroni cooking. Bring about 4 quarts of water to a rolling boil in a large pot, adding a pinch of salt. Once boiling, add your 8 ounces of elbow macaroni. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and cook for 7 to 9 minutes or until al dente. After cooking, drain the macaroni well in a colander and set it aside to cool slightly. With your macaroni cooled, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked and drained macaroni with your 2 cans of flaked tuna. Next, add about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Gently mix all the ingredients until everything is evenly coated. Now, season with salt and pepper to your liking, and stir in any optional ingredients like chopped celery or red onion for extra flavor. Your delicious tuna macaroni is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it immediately at room temperature, or chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes for a cooler, more refreshing salad. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of paprika for a pop of color. This classic dish is perfect for lunches, picnics, or a simple dinner. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.